So I'm going to go and get my image. So this is the image of my house. So we're going to start off. My home is going to be this corner, and we're going to start building our actual house. So I'm going to replit. I'm going to call house with Bob, and I'm going to do 15. In drawing, we need to start creating some functions. I'm going to start off by doing def house. It's going to take a turtle and a size with a default of 10. And the first step is draw a square. So I'm going to type square t, comma, and looking at my control tab, I need this to be 4 squares. So I'm going to do size times 4. And then I'm going to call roof. Or actually, then I'm going to do a move t, comma, and I'm going to move back 1 in the x, so -1, so negative, and then up 4. So that's size times -1, comma, size times 4. Make sure I have a comma, not a period. And then I'm going to call roof. T, comma, size. And before doing anything else, I'm going to copy this code and put the mirror image of that. So I'm going to go +1 and down 4 to bring myself back to my starting point. Now I need to make roof function. And if I go look at my shapes new, I have a side triangle. So I'm going to go drawing SSS underscore TRI T, comma, and the bottom of my thing is 6 squares, and I'm going to guess about 3 squares tall, or 4 squares tall. So size times 6, comma, size times, and the spacing between your math doesn't matter, size times 4. Let's test this out. So I'm going to run the REPL, and I got a square, and I have my roof. And that looks pretty close to what I drew. The next step is probably to draw my door. So I'm going to first do a move. In this case, I just need to move 1 square over. So T size, comma, 0. Door, T, comma, size. And then move T, comma, negative size, comma, 0. Negative size and size times -1 are exactly the same code. All right, so I need to write a door code. So def door, T, comma, size equals 10. And I'm going to do a rect, which is T, comma, size times 1, comma, size times 2. Let's run this so far. We got our house, triangle. There we go. Next step is to put in our doorknob. This is a little more complicated because I need to go up, I need to go over about 3/4 of a square and up 1 square. So I'm going to do move T, comma, size times 0.75, size times 1. Arc, which is our circle function, especially spelled correctly. T, comma, and I'm going to go size times 0.2. And then I'm going to do a reverse move. So I'm going to copy my move command, paste it in, but make everything negative. This way I'm moving back to my home position. So I'm going to start. Let's see. Square, triangle, rectangle, and doorknob. Obviously, next step would probably make a window function and call that window both for the main window and for the door, but I want to leave it here so that you can keep working from here.